Hey friends, first of all, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, with this video, I am here with you along with the stylish, beautiful and creative ideas that how you can design your dresses, how you can design your formal, everyday wear, semi-formal dresses, your winter dresses with the help of beautiful, exquisite and elegantly designed patterns of hand embroidery. Yes, friends, you have heard me right. All of these designs are extremely new, beginner friendly and the whole entire collection of my today's video is designed for the ones who are the lovers of hand embroidery or in search of very beautiful and creative ideas. Guys, I want to share one thing that the intent of this video is not to copy someone's designs, is not to capture the ideas of someone else and reclaim as your own. My purpose is just to share the beautiful and creative trendy ideas so that you could get ideas and design your dresses by sitting at your home and instead of paying a lot of money to designers for buying their design clothes, you can become a designer of your own. So, guys, I hope that you are liking my today's ideas. The fabric you can use for making these dresses is as per weather conditions. As you know that winter is in its full swing, so you can use corduroy, you can use woolen fabrics, you can use linen. You can also use khadar material for making these very beautiful patterns. Even you can also use peach wool or peach merino stuff that would go absolutely fine with this. And if you want to create your dresses for some sort of party wear, then you can use raw silk, silk, and shimmery fabric. You can also use velvet to give them a more creative and royal look. Different type of patterns of silk fabrics could also be used, and the thread which you want to use must be anchor or DMC for everyday wear. And if you want to create a formal look, then use silky threads to give them more beautiful and eloquent shine. With this, guys, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the creative, amazing, and trendy ideas. But one more thing and one more request is that please, guys, don't forget to like if you will like my video, and don't forget to subscribe and leave comments below my video about the designs and how you feel about the designs, and you can also give us suggestions for improvements in the comments box. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, thank you.